how to save money. And a lot of people have this issue with when trying to get their money, they just don't save time. So if you are one of those persons that's looking to save your money and at the end of the day you can have it in your pocket, stay tuned. What can I do? I tried everything, but it's just not working out. The light bill due, my bank account empty, I don't have a business. I always say you have to start from somewhere to reach somewhere. If you don't start from anywhere, you can't reach nowhere. So first of all, you're going to put it in the saving plan. If you don't have the mindset, oh the heavens you're gonna save, you're not gonna save. Me now have to move from my destination, my family there and change my blouse because I just nice clean beard. So another way you can save your money is make sure you have one bank account. Yeah, you have NCB, you have Jamaica National, you have Scotia Bank, you have First Caribbean, Jamaica I'm talking. Or if you're in America, you just go on a Bank America and a cycle, Bank America. Save your money somehow. Tip number one, make sure you pay off all the debt where you have. Have a book with budget. If you have expensive, you just write it down. Pay Miss Jane, pay Mr. John, and whosoever you owe them money. And you make sure you write it down because you want to document everything where you spend out. Because you cannot have it your paycheck and then you don't know where the money go. So at the end of the day you need to know where your money go. So after you do all of that, you're gonna make sure you see the little extra money where you have. Yes, you make sure you put it in our bank account, or you put it in done your money the most entertainment. Cause you have to watch movies and you have friends to go with. Some people drink and some people I don't even want to call the name. So yeah. You have all kind of things where just broke your pocket and you don't want that. You want to at the end of the year you can have money in your pocket. So if you have $5 or if you have $50, you make sure you put in your saving pan by the end of the year. You know how much money that? If you have $1,000, you put in a saving pan, and by the end of the year, how much that? $12,000. Yeah. So don't say $50 is not money, because if you add $50, $50, $50, $50, $50, $50. You see, sometimes when you don't have money, your friend them no, not even look for you because you don't have money. Oh, she don't have no money, so she not bother carry her, make she turn. Cause at the end of the day, make a figure spend. And when you have money, everybody, if me have money now, so everybody want to be a friend. Everybody want to done your money. Everybody want you to buy this, buy that, buy that. And your friend now tell you say for build a house, but your friend I gonna tell you to buy here, buy the latest clothes, buy the latest this, and they now tell you to buy black and steel. And cement. Yes, investment is good for the soul. Investment is good for the soul now. I'm not lie. Look at this. $1,000. How much $50 you think you can make? $1,000. 20. So if you save $50 for 20 days, you know say a $1,000 you have. You know that? You know that? Yes. If you save it 40 days, to eat the $50 for 40 days, you know how much money I have? $2,000. So stop say a little money is no money at all. Because if you save it, you will reap. And that is a big investment. You can buy one house probably in the next 20 years after you're done save. Yes, me I say. So thank you guys for watching my channel. Them always say one cocoa, full basket. So the $50 is one cocoa. And it will fill your basket. So no worry guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and make sure you save, you know. Make sure you save. If you even $1, don't say it is not no money. Because if you have $1 and you multiply yo, a million. You get $1 million. Yo, don't worry yourself. Big up yourself, guys. Bye, guys.